Hello again, guys. I'm sorry I forgot to show you how to launch our website. So here in our dashboard, um, just click on settings at the bottommost part of the dashboard here, and then right here you have under the launch site. So just click launch site. There you go. So here, so you can adjust the privacy, public, hidden, private. So of course we want to make it public, and then yeah, that's it. So that's how you launch and make your website public. So if you want to adjust other settings like the time zone or the language, it's up to you. I'm fine with that. So again, save settings just for um, to make sure. So yeah, that's it. That's how you launch your website. Thanks. Bye.